The source will continue up to 10 years if there is enough rain. The bore is the highlighted source to get the water from the rain for us. Now we are going to see the water usage per head per day. For washing we require 40 liters. For washing utensils we require 30 liters. For bathing we require 20 liters. For washroom we require 20 liters. And for gardening we require 20 liters. All over we require 160 liters per person per day. In the world, all water is not usable. Based on its quality, we can say that the water can be utilized or not. Water quality refers to chemical, physical and biological characteristics of water. It is a measure of the condition of water relative to the requirements of one or more biotic species and or to any human need or purpose. There are many sources of water such as oceans, seas and lakes. Now, we have collected the water samples from the nearby sources of Chikbalapur.
This is the water sample from Jakkalmadgu. It smells muddy and it is slightly turbid and it contains tiny particles in it. What is your opinion?
Yes, it is muddy and it contains tiny particles in it. Yes, it smells muddy.
This is the water sample from Vijikote Lake. It smells muddy and it is slightly turbid and it contains more dust particles.
We are going to add phenolphthalein to test its pH value. This is phenolphthalein. And as it is an indicator, it turns from colorless to violet red. Now we are going to add this phenolphthalein solution to the Jakkalmadgu sample. Let us see what happens. We are going to stir it. Since the water sample from Jakkalmadgu is colorless, we can say that this solution is neutral. After some while, the solution from Vijikote Lake turned pink and we can prove that this is alkaline in nature. The water sample from Dharmarayana Lake, after adding phenolphthalein, it turned violet red. This is the water sample from rain and it is colorless. We can prove that this is neutral. This was the water sample from our borewell. As this is also neutral, after a while, these are the solutions. This is the water sample from Vijikote Lake and it turned violet red. This is the water sample from Dharmarayana Lake, it turned pink. This is the water sample from our borewell and it is colorless. This is the water sample from rain and it is also colorless. Now we are going to filter these water samples. Now this is the water sample from our borewell. We can see the clear water dropping down. After a while, we can see the clear water down. This was the solution from our borewell and it does not contain any sediments. This is the water sample from rain. We can see the clear water down and it contains little bit dust particles. We can see them here. Experimental setup. Now we are going to heat the rainwater sample to test the suspended solids in it. We are heating it with a Bunsen burner. We can see the vapors going up. After water is evaporated, we can see the suspended solids in it. What do you feel about water usage in our school?
Yes, water used in our school is of good quality.
How do they save water in our school?
Instead of turning taps, they have put pressing taps. Because of this, in our school, much water is saved.
What do you feel about water usage in our school?
In our school, the water usage is limited because we exert concentration on saving water.
What do you feel about the water usage in our school?
Yes, the water used in our school is good and suitable for needs.
Which water are you drinking, Pratibha?
This water is from our school.
Is it clean?
Yes, it is pure.